The future of flight is taking inspections to new heights. Air travel has revolutionized our world, connecting people and cultures like never before. As we look towards the future, we must ensure this vital mode of transportation remains safe, efficient, and accessible. A key aspect of this endeavor lies in revolutionizing aircraft inspections, a process crucial for maintaining the highest safety standards. Traditional methods, though effective, are often time-consuming and require highly specialized personnel. The time has come to embrace the power of technology, specifically augmented reality and drone technology, to usher in a new era of aircraft maintenance. Imagine a world where aircraft inspections are no longer constrained by human limitations. Picture a future where potential issues are identified with unparalleled accuracy and speed. This is the promise of augmented reality and drone-powered inspections, a revolutionary approach poised to transform the aviation industry. By integrating these cutting-edge technologies, we can enhance safety, boost efficiency, and significantly reduce costs. This essay will delve into the transformative potential of augmented reality and drones in aircraft inspections, exploring the benefits, outlining the required infrastructure, and envisioning a phased implementation plan. Join us as we embark on a journey into the future of flight, a future where innovation takes flight and safety soars to new heights.
Safety is paramount in aviation. Every flight relies on rigorous inspections to ensure the aircraft is in peak condition. However, even the most experienced human eye can miss minute cracks or defects, potentially leading to catastrophic consequences. This is where augmented reality and drones come into play, offering an unprecedented level of precision and detail in aircraft inspections. Augmented reality headsets provide technicians with real-time data and visual overlays directly onto the aircraft. Imagine a mechanic wearing augmented reality glasses that highlight potential problem areas, displaying maintenance history and schematics right before their eyes. This technology allows for the detection of even the smallest imperfections, ensuring nothing is missed. Drones, equipped with high-definition cameras and advanced sensors, can access hard-to-reach areas, such as the underside of wings or the tail section. They capture detailed images and data, providing a comprehensive view of the aircraft's condition. This eliminates the need for risky and time-consuming manual inspections at heights, further enhancing safety for maintenance personnel. By combining the power of human expertise with the precision of augmented reality and drones, we are entering a new era of aircraft safety. This technology empowers us to see the unseen, identifying potential issues before they escalate, ensuring the well-being of passengers and crew alike.
Efficiency unleashed. Traditional aircraft inspections are time-consuming and labor-intensive. They require highly specialized engineers and often involve grounding the aircraft for extended periods. This impacts airline schedules and incurs significant costs. Augmented reality inspection routines offer a revolutionary solution, dramatically increasing the efficiency of the inspection process. Augmented reality headsets guide technicians through inspections, providing step-by-step instructions and real-time feedback. This reduces the reliance on highly specialized personnel, allowing less experienced technicians to perform complex inspections with confidence. The technology's intuitive interface and real-time data analysis capabilities empower a wider range of personnel to contribute effectively to the maintenance process. Drone inspections are significantly faster than manual inspections. They can cover large areas quickly and efficiently, collecting vast amounts of data in a short period. This data is then analyzed by sophisticated software, further streamlining the inspection process and reducing the aircraft's downtime. By empowering a wider range of personnel and significantly reducing inspection time, augmented reality inspection routines unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency in aircraft maintenance. This translates to quicker turnaround times for airlines, increased aircraft availability, and ultimately, a more efficient and cost-effective aviation industry.
The aviation industry is constantly seeking ways to reduce costs without compromising safety. Augmented reality and drones present a unique opportunity to streamline maintenance operations, leading to significant cost savings in the long run. As discussed earlier, augmented reality empowers less experienced technicians to perform complex inspections, reducing the reliance on highly specialized engineers. This translates to lower labor costs and a more flexible workforce. Additionally, augmented reality reduces the risk of human error, minimizing the potential for costly repairs or delays caused by missed defects. Drone inspections are inherently more cost-effective than manual inspections. They eliminate the need for expensive scaffolding or cherry pickers, and the reduced inspection time minimizes aircraft downtime, directly impacting an airline's bottom line. Furthermore, the detailed data collected by drones allows for predictive maintenance, identifying potential issues before they become major problems requiring costly repairs. By embracing augmented reality and drone technology, the aviation industry can achieve significant cost savings without compromising safety. This translates to more competitive airfares for passengers and a more financially sustainable future for the aviation industry as a whole.
Aircraft reliability is crucial for both passenger safety and operational efficiency. Frequent and thorough inspections are essential to ensuring aircraft operate at peak performance. Augmented reality and drones, by enabling more frequent and detailed inspections, usher in a new era of aircraft reliability. Traditional inspection schedules are often limited by time and resource constraints. Augmented reality and drones remove these limitations, allowing for more frequent inspections without disrupting airline operations. This means potential issues can be identified and addressed proactively, minimizing the risk of unexpected downtime or delays. The detailed data collected by drones, coupled with the real-time analysis capabilities of augmented reality, provides a comprehensive understanding of an aircraft's health. This data-driven approach to maintenance allows for predictive maintenance, anticipating potential issues before they arise and ensuring the aircraft remains in optimal condition. By facilitating more frequent and thorough inspections, augmented reality and drones significantly enhance aircraft reliability. This translates to increased passenger confidence, reduced delays and cancellations, and a more robust and reliable aviation industry as a whole.
Implementing augmented reality and drone technology in aircraft inspections requires a robust and integrated infrastructure. This infrastructure encompasses several key components, each playing a crucial role in ensuring the seamless integration and operation of this transformative technology. First and foremost, we need high-quality augmented reality headsets. These headsets must be lightweight, comfortable for extended use, and provide crystal-clear visual overlays of inspection data and instructions. The software powering these headsets needs to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing technicians of varying skill levels to navigate the interface with ease. Next, we need a fleet of specialized drones. These drones must be equipped with high-definition cameras, capable of capturing detailed images of the aircraft's exterior. Additionally, they need to be equipped with sensors capable of detecting various structural defects, such as heat signatures indicating potential electrical issues or ultrasonic sensors to identify minute cracks invisible to the naked eye. All this data, collected by both augmented reality headsets and drones, needs to be stored and analyzed effectively. This requires a centralized database, accessible to authorized personnel, where inspection data from all aircraft is stored, categorized, and analyzed. This database will become a treasure trove of information, allowing for trend analysis, predictive maintenance, and continuous improvement of inspection procedures. Finally, we need to invest in comprehensive training modules for technicians. These modules will familiarize them with the augmented reality and drone technology, teach them how to operate the equipment, and provide them with the skills necessary to interpret the data and make informed maintenance decisions. Investing in this robust infrastructure is essential to fully realize the transformative potential of augmented reality and drone technology in aircraft inspections. By providing technicians with the tools and training they need, we can ensure a smooth transition to this new era of aircraft maintenance.